When we talk about the global automotive race, people usually compare India, China, Europe, and the United States as if there must be one clear winner. But the truth is much more interesting. Each region is becoming a leader in its own unique way, and instead of competing to defeat each other, all four are actually shaping the future of cars together. This makes the story exciting, positive, and something viewers love to watch because it shows how different parts of the world are pushing the industry forward in their own style. India is growing incredibly fast in the automotive space. It is becoming a world hub for affordable cars, compact EVs, and high value manufacturing. Indian companies and engineers are playing a very big role in designing and developing modern vehicle software, from infotainment systems to connected car feature. The rise of electric scooters and small EV cars shows how quickly India adapts to new technology. India's strength comes from smart engineering, huge demand, and the ability to make cost effective, reliable vehicles for the world. China, on the other hand, is running almost at lightning speed when it comes to electric vehicles. China has built the world's biggest EV market, the biggest battery factories, and one of the most advanced charging networks. Companies like BYD, NIO, and Xpeng have changed the global view of Chinese cars by bringing strong design, high technology, and affordable pricing. Chinese real power is its massive supply chain, fast manufacturing decisions, and the ability to scale new technology in a very short time. This makes China a leader in EV growth and innovation. Europe has its own identity in the automotive world. It is the home of legendary brands known for luxury, safety, and engineering precision. Whether it is Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Volvo, or Volkswagen, European cars carry decades of trust and deep experience. Europe also pushes strong safety standards, strict environmental rules, and premium quality design. Even as the world shifts to electric, Europe is working to keep its reputation for high performance and safety, while also moving toward clean energy. Their specialty is craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering that feels refined. The United States brings a completely different strength to the table: innovation and software. Tesla changed how the world thinks about electric cars, especially with features like autonomous driving, large digital displays, and over the air updates. American companies are mixing automotive technology with Silicon Valley thinking, which means cars are becoming more like smart devices. The US focuses heavily on AI, big data, chargers, self driving, and new mobility ideas. Their strength is bold innovation and the confidence to redesign how future cars should feel and behave. So, when someone asks which one is the best, the real answer is that each one is the best in its own area. India leads in affordability and smart engineering, China leads in EVs and battery technology, Europe leads in safety and luxury, the United States leads in software and futuristic ideas. And here is the most amazing part: the future of car you drive may be a mix of all four. It might use battery influenced from Chinese tech, software written by Indian engineers, safety standards from Europe, and autonomous features inspired by the United States. This is how the modern automotive world works, not separate but connected. And that is what makes this global race so exciting for everyone watching. Well, that's it.